Okay, my name's Sean. This is my bike check, starting from the front. Alright, I got the Shadow Conspiracy grips, cut flanges. Well, they're not cut. I bought them like this. I don't like the flanges that get it all bad on your blisters and stuff. With the bar ends, and when you screw it in, they pop out, so unscrew, they're easier to come out and in. This is the Odyssey brake lever to a DK turquoise blue brake cable that goes down to Tektro brakes, just stock Tektro brakes. I might get Odyssey brakes with the Odyssey clear pads instead of those. Those are wearing down a little bit, so it's kind of squeaky or whatever, which it shouldn't do because they're old. Alright, at the end of my pedals, I have Eastern Bikes, I don't know, red pedals, just plastic light ones to fit crank arms. Forget what brand, but they're 25.7 ounces. To a Black Label 25 tooth alloy sprocket. That goes to this white awesome half-link chain that seems to never break at all. Not like the normal linked ones, I guess. Alright, to a 9-tooth driver in the back with an Alex hub and Alex rims. It was a complete set for $100, so why not? I got the Eastern Bikes pivotal seat to Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat post to Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp. And then, what else? Up here, I have the integrated Odyssey headset. This is an integrated frame, as you can see, with the Spanish bottom bracket in there. Right there, Shadow Conspiracy. Purple anodized. It's a pain in the ass to find Spanish bottom brackets these days. It's a DK Aura 09. Super, super light for trails, parks. Normal stock forks, stock bars. I might get the Aaron Ross ones probably in the next week or so. That's pretty much my bike. And yeah, let me show you how the hub sounds. Hold on. So here's my bike check. Rate it, comment it, tell me what you like about it, tell me if you like it, and I recommend getting it. Alright, thanks.